Hey guys, it's Crimson Cloud, leader of the boss crew, and today we're doing another command block tutorial. Today we're doing Tiny Impale, the one that I'm pretty sure killed Buchirachi, or was it? Sorry, I forgot. But the one that killed, oh yeah, the guy with Moody Blues. Or Moody Jazz. This is optional, you don't have to do paper. I just chose paper because it was the easiest thing. And you don't have to have the same coordinates. I think that one's obvious, but I just like pointing everything out. Same thing, don't have to be the same coordinates. Doesn't have to be paper. Yeah, it can be any tag. It just helps with the commands. You don't really have to have the say thing. I just added it. And yeah, just in case if the attack fails and no one gets close. That one's just to make it so it's a counter attack. And also that's just for symbolizing that he's doing the particle. In this one, I think it's kind of obvious. It's just the test for any players nearby. And now this. To deal damage. To blind people because in the time skips, he normally puts blood over their eyes to blind them. And I forgot the code, so I just did that. And this one, I don't know why I did that. For the noise that kinda sounds like it. And for the weakness to give them, because mainly people would try to like the blood off their eyes, and then to teleport behind the opponent. And I don't know why I made that one. And yeah, it doesn't have to be paper. And why did I make that top command block? Maybe for a scrapped idea. And this one doesn't have to be the same coordinates. And same as last time. And now here's the attack. Oh yeah, also there's a glitch I don't know how to fix that makes it so you sometimes have to turn on the command block and turn it off. I guess that's the end of this showcase, so have a great day and a great life. Wait, not yet. Also, if you're skeptical that I am the ones that do this, since I do the Xbox One app to show this, my account is this. And now, to be honest, have a great day and a great life. Goodbye.